everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into your Barclays personal loan account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into your Barclays personal loan account, open up your web browser. Type in www.mybarclaycardloan.com in the web address bar at the top and press enter. Once you end up in the main homepage of Barclays Loans, at the top right hand you'll be able to see a loan sign-in portal. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. Make sure to type in your information correct. Head over to the password field and type in your password. Make sure to double check your password before moving on by clicking on this little eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. Now, if you'd like the system to remember your username so that next time you try to log into your account you won't have to type it again and again, you can check this remember username box. But make sure to leave this unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device. In case you don't remember your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, click on this Forgot Username or Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in all of your informations, click on the Login button to log into your Barclays personal loan account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.